Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Celebrity. Welcome back to my channel. Here we upload accounting tutorials weekly. Today in this topic, I'm going to show you how to prepare insurance account. So let's get started. Here, first of all, we will know how to prepare this account, what are the procedures to apply here. Then we will see an example. We will solve this example here, okay? Very good. So, what items are included here in the insurance account? So, here you see 4 items will be included. First of all, you have to include opening balances. Opening balances means the balance on the first day of accounting period, okay? So, you may have 2 balances. You may have unpaid balance, you may have balance which is paid in advance, which is a prepaid. So, if it is an unpaid or accrued or outstanding balance, then you have to record as balance BD on the credit side, okay? Here, if it is a prepaid or advance opening balance, in this case, you have to record as balance BD on the debit side here, okay? Then payment. So, business may make payment by check or by bank transfer. In this case, you need to write bank on the debit side here, okay? Then if payment is made in cash, we will not write here bank. We will write here cash on the debit side here in this account, okay? Then annual expenses means yearly expense. Yearly expense will be given sometimes will not be given. No worries. If it is given annually or yearly, whatever written, so it will be recorded as income statement on the credit side here, okay? Then number 4 here, closing balances like opening balance. So what is closing balance? Means balances on the last day of accounting period, okay? So on this day, you may have 2 balances. Maybe it is unpaid or accrued or outstanding expense. In this case, it will be recorded as balance CD on the debit side here. Okay, if there is any prepaid expense or advance expense, means you paid expense for the next year, for the next accounting period. This is a closing balance and it is an advance or a prepaid expense. So this is also balance CD. So if you see this type of expense, this type of transition in the question, you have to write as balance BD on the credit side here, okay? So very simple, you have to remember this thing. Now, let us have a look at the question on the screen. Karishma runs her own business, okay? The balances in her book on 1st October 2020 included the following, okay? So 1st October 2020, that means she started business on this day. So it is 1st October 2020. So she started. So it starts on 1st October. So when does she end the accounting period? So it will be here ends on 30 September 2020, yeah? This is the accounting period for her business, okay? So point to be noted here. Then what is written in the question? Insurance account 1700 prepaid, electricity account 1800 owing, okay? Electricity account I'll show you next time. So today I'll show you only insurance account, okay? So here 1700 prepaid and it is the opening balance, yeah? So balance on 1st October 2020. So here opening balance, if there is any prepaid or advance, it will be recorded as balance BD on the debit side, okay? So let us record this amount first of all. So we need to write date first, 2020 October 1st, okay? So we will write here balance BD and amount is here $1,700. So let us write here insurance account. Okay, very good. So we already recorded balance PD. Now what we have in the question: during the financial year ended 30 September 2021, Karishma made the following payment by check. Okay, so here we have some payments. So here these payments are made by check. We have 7 February 2021. It is insurance payment $3,400. Okay, we know payment is bank, yeah. If it is made by check or by bank transfer, we need to write bank on the debit side. Why on the debit side? What is the double entry for this transaction? Here insurance account to be debited, bank account to be credited. We are doing insurance account and it is debited, so we will write on the debit side. Okay, so let us write here date first. 2021, it is February 7. So we will write here bank and amount is paid here $3,400. Okay, then what we have here on 13 August 2021, another payment is $3,400 by check. So again we will write here August, same year. Okay, August 13. So it is paid by check. We will write here bank, amount is here $3,500. Okay, very good. Then what we have here, electricity payments. Okay, this will come on the electricity account, which will be shown later. Okay, then we have some adjustment. A refund of $300 for the insurance overpaid was received by bank transfer on 28 February 2021. Okay, insurance was overpaid $300. So now it is received. This amount is refunded. Okay, so when we make payment, we write on the debit side. So when it is a receipt, we have to record on the credit side. Why? Because here bank account to be debited and insurance account to be credited. So we are doing insurance account, it is credited, so we will record on the credit side. Okay, so let us write the date first. 2021 February 28. We will write here bank. Okay, the amount is here $300. Okay, done. Then what is next? The insurance paid on 13 August 2021 covered a period of 5 months to 31st December 2021. Okay, so it is paid until 31st December 2021. Okay, so here our financial year ended on 30 September 2020, but the insurance which is paid on 13 August, the amount is $3,500. This amount is paid for 5 months, will cover until 31st December. Okay, so it is a payment in advance, yeah. Okay, so for how many months this payment is made in advance? So year will be ended on 30 September. So after September, how many months? September, October, November, December, yeah. That means for 3 months this payment is made in advance. Okay, so now how to calculate for this 3 months payment? So here it is very simple. This $3,500 is paid for 5 months. It's mentioned in the question. So how much for 3 months? Okay, so it will be calculated this way. $3,500 will divide by 5 months because this amount is paid for 5 months. Then we will calculate for 3 months. Okay, so 3 months will be here $2,100. Okay, so this amount is paid in advance. This is the closing balance which is paid in advance. It is a prepaid expense. Okay, so now closing balance, prepaid expense or advance expense will be recorded as balance CD on the credit side. Yeah. Okay, so let us go to the credit side and write here the date September 30. We will write here balance CD, okay, it is $2,100. Okay. Then what do you have in the question? At 30 September 2021, an amount of $2,000 was owing for electricity. Okay, this is another thing I'll show you later. That means we have covered everything. We have written all the items given on the question. Okay, now let us have a look at here. We got opening balances, but here two balances, we got one. You may have two balances in the same question. Okay, we have payment, we recorded as bank on the debit side. We have annual expenses. No, we don't have. So we could not write income statement. Okay, now we have to calculate income statement. We had closing balances. It is a prepaid expense. Here we wrote on the credit side as balance CD. Okay, so now here in this question we don't have annual expenses. We do not know what is the annual expense. So we could write income statement. Okay, now we need to write here the balancing figure. The difference between debit column and credit column will be here now. Income statement. Okay, now see how much our difference here. Okay, so how to calculate the difference? First of all, we have to compare this debit column to the credit column. Why? We need to check which column is greater in value. Okay, so if we see, we get debit dollar column is greater in value, in money. Okay, so let us total this debit column first. Okay, so if we total, we get here $8,600. Okay, now same amount we will take to the opposite column, opposite dollar column here on the credit side. Sorry, so let us write here same amount, $8,600. Okay, now what to do? Now we will subtract this and this amount from these totals. Okay, so if we subtract, what we get? If we say it is $6,200, you are absolutely correct. Okay, so this is the amount of income statement, means amount of annual expense. Okay, so here we will write income statement. Okay, so date for income statement will be the last day of the financial period. Let us write the date first here, 2021. It is September 30. Okay, so this is how you need to calculate income statement. Now here we have balance CD, which is $2,100. We have to bring down this balance. Okay, this is compulsory, you have to do it. Okay, so here we have balance CD on the credit side. So balance BD will come on the debit side, always on the opposite side. Okay, so now come to the debit side. Below the total you have to write balance BD. Okay, so here we will write balance BD and same amount will come here, $2,100. Okay, and date for balance BD will be the first day of next accounting period. Okay, so here financial year ended on 30 September 2021. So new financial year will be started on 1st October 2021. Yeah, very simple. So let us write here date 2021 October 1st. Okay, so this is a complete account. If you practice this account, if you understood this account, many questions you can solve because basics are same, proceedings are same, way to prepare this account is completely same. Just you need to remember these items. Okay, how you need to write balance CD and a balance PD. Especially this is the confusing part. When you get opening balance unpaid, closing balance unpaid, you get confused. Which one is balance CD, which one is balance PD? Even which one will be recorded debit side, which one will be on the credit side. Very confusing. Even when I was a student, I was very confused. So need practice. Okay. So this is all about our today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed and understood this lesson. If you think that this video is helpful for you, please share it with your friends. And please consider subscribing to my channel because there are other so many accounting tutorials which will help you to learn accounting, to understand accounting, to prepare yourself for your exam or test. So I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.